Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we can do is open up Power BI, and then from here, click on the Home tab. Now just below that we got Get Data. Click on it, Get Data, and then look for GitHub repository or GitHub. If it's not there, click onto More. Now we want to do a search, so type in GitHub. Here it is here, so select GitHub, click on connect. Now there is a preview connector here, so the GitHub connector is still under development, so please try it out and give them feedback. So in order to you can check that if you don't want to warn me again for this connector, click on continue. Then from there it's going to ask you to log in, so put in your owner repository name and click on OK, and just follow the steps to connect GitHub to Power BI.